There's a guide on how you can delete your Facebook account. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be clicking on the three bars on the top right section of your screen. Yeah, this one. After that, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. After that, this menu will pop up, and then click on Settings. And in the settings page, click on Meta Account Center, the first option, as you can see. Just click on this. And then on the Account Center page, you'll see a lot of options. You have to scroll down and click on Personal Details. In the Personal Detail tab, click on Account Ownership and Control, the last option, as you can see. After that, you get two options, memorialization and deactivation or deletion. So since we're deleting, click on deactivation or deletion. After that, it'll ask you to choose the account that you want to delete. So I have only one account. You'll see all your accounts here if you have many. So click on the account. After that, you get two options. It'll be default on the deactivate account, but we have to choose delete account, the second option, since we're deleting. You can also deactivate your account. It'll just remove your name and photos from all the things you have posted, but you can still use Messenger if you want to. But this tutorial is for the deletion, so yeah, click on delete account, the second option, and then click continue once you're done. After that, it'll ask you to give a reason for your deletion. So you can choose whatever suits you. I'll just choose a random reason. I no longer find Facebook useful. After that, click continue. And then click on continue. After that, you'll see this. This is a warning before you delete your account. It says once the deletion process has begun, you won't be able to reactivate your account or retrieve of any of the content or information that you've added. So kindly read all of this, and you can also save your post in archive if you want to save them. After that, you get the option to download your Facebook information if you want to. I don't really want to do that. You can also transfer a copy of your information if you want to. So yeah, these are all the options you get. Once you're done, click on continue in the bottom. After that, it'll ask you to enter your password. So I'm going to do that. Alright, after that, you'll be transferred on this page which says confirm permanent account deletion. So on this page, it'll tell you that if you put this account in the deletion phase, it'll stay in the deletion phase for around 30 days. Alright, for 30 days it'll be there. And if you enter your login details to Facebook under 30 days, between this particular period of 30 days, you can retrieve your account and save it from deletion. Alright, you can't retrieve it after 30 days. So yeah, if you change your mind within 30 days, you can retrieve it. But once this particular period is over, you can't really do anything, and it's deleted permanently. So yeah, once you're done, click on delete account. And then it says Raghav Sharma has been scheduled for deletion. Alright. And that's it. That's how you delete your account on Facebook.